Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Hope by the Chainsmokers and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start off, here's the layout. We're gonna start with the intro verse and that break right after the chorus because they're the same chords, and the strum pattern you guys can use with it. So we're gonna start off with the first chord, which is an E. And then to an F sharp, and then to an A flat minor, or also you can call this a G sharp minor. Either way is fine. So if you know how to make a B, you're just adding that pinky right there. Alright, so it's just gonna use these three chords here. Alright, so here's the strum pattern. We're gonna be following the beat of the song. So starting with E. So it's just 3 down strums. Then the F sharp is 2. And the A flat minor is just 1. And then there's also this line that I want to teach you guys. So it goes like this. So it's 6, 4, 2. So the strum pattern that I'm going to teach you guys, it's going to be using, you can use it in the verse, but mainly you're going to hear it in the break right after the chorus and also the outro. So it's more of the faster and fuller pace. So it's down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. So the chorus is super easy. We're going to be using 3 chords and just doing down strums and holding each chorus for 4 counts. So the first chord you're going to use is E. Back to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that is pretty much it. So first chord is the E, then to the A flat minor, and then it's B, which you're just taking off your pinky, and then back to E. And you're gonna play that twice, and then it goes right into like the full-on strumming. Then it goes back to the verse, chorus, and then the outro is the same thing, just a full-on strumming, and then that ends the song right there. So thanks again guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video, and go check out my other videos too. And I'll see you guys on the next one.